Hey everyone, Linus here. Have you ever wished you could carry a movie theater in your pocket? I'm not kidding. Today, we're diving into the Aurzen ZIP, the world's smallest tri-fold pocket projector. This thing is a game changer for content creators, travelers, or anyone who loves tech. Imagine this, you, a giant screen and all your favorite content anywhere you go. That's the magic of the Aurzen ZIP. This isn't your grandpa's bulky projector. The Aurzen ZIP is ridiculously small and lightweight. You can literally slip it into your pocket and forget it's even there. Don't let the size fool you though. This tiny titan packs a punch with its full-featured DLP projector, delivering stunning visuals in both landscape and portrait modes. Whether it's a movie night with friends or a killer presentation at work, the Aurzen ZIP has your back. We all know size isn't everything, right? The Aurzen ZIP is bursting with features that'll make your jaw drop. First up, say goodbye to blurry images forever. This bad boy boasts built-in zero-lag autofocus technology. That means your picture is always crisp and clear no matter what. And the compatibility? Don't even get me started. Connect your laptop, smartphone, gaming console, you name it. The Aurzen ZIP plays nicely with everyone. We're talking seamless wireless streaming or plug-and-play via HDMI. This is truly a pocket-sized entertainment powerhouse. Now let's talk about everyone's favorite topic, battery life. We've all been there, right? The dreaded low battery warning when you're right in the middle of an epic movie marathon. Fear not, my friends, because the Aurzen ZIP has got you covered. This little beast packs enough juice to keep your entertainment going for hours on a single charge. And if that wasn't enough, you can even power it up with a trusty USB-C power bank. That's right, folks. No more searching for outlets. The Aurzen ZIP is your ultimate entertainment companion, anytime, anywhere. But wait, there's more! The Aurzen ZIP comes with its very own app, Aurzen Hub. This isn't just some slapped-together afterthought either. This app is slick, intuitive, and makes controlling your projector a breeze. Imagine effortlessly switching between inputs, adjusting settings, and even using your phone as a mouse. It's like having a remote control on steroids right in your pocket. So, how much will this pocket-sized wonder set you back? The Aurzen ZIP is surprisingly affordable, especially considering its incredible features and performance. And the best part? You can order yours right now on Amazon. Head over there, check it out, and prepare to have your mind blown. Trust me, you won't regret it. Until next time, stay awesome.